Okay, good. I can edit that out. Anyways. All right, so. All right. All right. I just want to see what you do now. Come on, get your composer.
They are rage, brutal, without mercy. But you will be worse. Rip and tear until it is done.
What's up, everybody? Elgato here with round 2 of another unboxing of our Elgato green screen. So, in case you didn't catch my last video, or if you did catch my last video, unfortunately, not sure whose fault it is, I'm gonna blame UPS. It could be Elgato too. They kind of just said, oh, here's one that's messed up. Let's just give this one, and hopefully it turns out fine, which it did. Anyways, so got the replacement. So box looks perfectly fine. So let's see how the actual product looks, and let's see what happens when we open it up. All right, so far so good. I already know how to do that. So, alrighty, let's take this bitch out. Alrighty, so far it looks pretty good, minus some of the tape that they put. Left my knife in the car, so we'll just have to settle with using these pair of scissors. I think that should be it. Alrighty. Alrighty, and look at that. Clips are in place. They're not broken. The casing looks fine. I mean, yeah, a lot better. Let me go ahead and flip it over. No damage there. Looks perfectly fine here. All right, so we still have the original one. So let me go ahead and break that one out really quick. Alrighty. Now, new one, messed up one. And, see that? That is from the first one they sent me. And, let's go ahead and do this since we're already got it out. Go ahead and back up, please. Then you go ahead and do this. Do these. Alrighty. Alright, in case you're wondering what the numbers are for, I had to put those numbers on there, which is my ticket number, basically just saying that this is the damaged one. They don't take returns on the green screen, so I might be able to salvage this one. I haven't tested it with OBS yet, but I think with the chroma key feature, I think it should cover that out too. Now, with my editing software, that might be different, but since we have this, I won't have to worry about this. So this I probably might either A, put in storage, save it for trips or something, keep the good one at home, or maybe if I'm nice enough, maybe loan it out to my brother-in-law and my sister, since they mentioned wanting to get a green screen themselves. So what actually got us to get a new replacement wasn't actually the case, surprisingly, which that would have been the first thing. But in actuality, you see these, my camera person, you see these notches here that constituted damage on the green screen, which said, okay, since there's damage on the screen, we will send you a brand new unit, even though your case is all messed up. And mind you, I also had to Gorilla Glue these clips on here. So let's see how the ones that came undamaged go. Or let's see how long they last, not assuming they didn't use cheap material. All right, now let's go ahead and lift this bad boy up and see how the screen looks for this new model, or replacement, I should say, not new model. Alrighty. Put you over here really quick. Unclip, unclip. Alrighty. Now let's see how this one looks. Yeah, not to worry about that. Alright, so no little notches, a little bit of minor like wrinklage, I guess, but I mean nothing that's gonna really completely affect the function of the green screen. So this is actually perfectly straight because I think this part here was also crushed as well because the other one was bowed a little bit. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So we got our new replacement. I mean, I'm gonna call this one good. Like this minor stuff here, I'm not gonna complain too much about. But I mean, technically I didn't really have to. The pinhole little notches that I point out in the other one probably wouldn't have been a big deal too, but since that was able to get me a full replacement, I'm not gonna complain. So that will do it for this portion, or maybe I might leave this as a separate video, and then we will do another edited video where we're gonna do some recordings with our green screen and use our recording software, excuse me, our editing software, because I'm gonna record this separately with my camera and then obviously record my gameplay on my computer, and then show you some of the things that I did in the other video I did, because I know two of the examples I showed were kind of short, so I wanted to actually extend that so you can see the different functions using DaVinci Resolve. So I will see you all later. Whenever you're done.
I'm sorry. Okay.
This is gonna be. Oh, I should make a blooper for this. Anyways.
You do it?
God damn it! Shut the fuck up! Will you stop? Are you that simple-minded that you laugh at every single thing? Oh,